Hi, this is author and speaker Tori Lynn. I've changed. I'm no longer a Playgirl on the run. I need something that's stronger. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Anyway, it's author and speaker Tori Lynn, and I am excited about February. This is Valentine's Love Month, Black History Month, and this is our permission to flirt with each other. Okay, take it how you want to. But anyway, so we have an event coming up for Valentine's Day, and it is Flirt for the Fight, because Tyresha Lewis is 17 years old. She's battling stage 3 cancer. My co-host Ty Ford from Ty and the Sips, we are going to have the battle of the sexes. We are going to have the speed dating, and we're going to have the dating game. So come out and support. We are going to have our little name tags. That your name tag is not going to be your name, because that person has to come up to you and talk to you. This is your time to flirt. We are going to flirt. We are going to have on our cute. We're going to have on our red lipstick. My girls, we already talked about our red lipsticks. But anyway, so, and we're just going to have a great time, because this is what we need to do. Now, married people that want to come, absolutely, you're more than welcome to come to the cause. What we need you to do is to PDA. Is it PDA or PDF? PDA. And we want you to embrace each other. We should want what you have. And there's not a lot of couples that are showing love and affection. And, we should want, my brother, being around him and his wife, oh my gosh, it's infectious. You want that. We need more couples. This is Love Month. Valentine's Day should be Valentine's Day every day anyway. But just in case you kind of forgot, come on. And so what I'm saying is that we're going to be playing old school music, and because that's back in the day, that's what love was about. We're going to play that type of music. So it is your opportunity to flirt. We're going to be flirting online. I'm going to start poking some people. But anyway, I'm just really excited. So I hope to see you there. And like I said, oh, my grease is burning. But anyway, like I said, we're going to flirt for the fight for Tyresha Lewis, and I will see you there. And do what I can. Protect. Of your hands and understand I'll be frozen. Oh my gosh.